Hey guys, Shel Sullivan here. Welcome to my channel. I don't really have time today to do a fully fledged It Firecracker video, but I am going to set off a big ass firecracker. I have this little area out in my woods where I go and practice my mindfulness meditation technique. And I got this old steel, I don't know what it is. I think it's part of a Dutch oven, maybe a Dutch oven plate there. But I hang it out here in the woods and I ring it. And then I just kind of listen to the just kind of meditative. So here it is. And sometimes I'll come out in the woods and I'll just close my eyes and the idea is to breathe gently and focus on the sound and let it wash away all your thoughts and pay close attention. To hear it. There's nothing left of the sound. But that's not what I'm doing today. Today I'm going to set off a big ass firecracker on it. 10 grams of flash powder in a very, very thick, strong cardboard tube. And we're going to set this bad boy off. Boom! See what happens. Let's do it. Alright, hope you guys like that. If you did, you know what to do. And I'll see you next time. If you subscribe, but if you don't, you may not ever see me again. Thanks for watching. Bye.